Welcome to the dimly lit streets of the S&P 500 market, where narrow alleys twist into shadowy recesses and the streetlights cast long silhouettes across market trends. Let's search the streets and alleyways before us with trusty magnifying glass in hand, looking for clues. Key buy and sell levels, or ranges, point of control. POC, 5,626.75. The price print that held the scene longest. Value area low, VAL, 5,624.75, marks the lower boundary where 70% of our activity took place. Value area high, VAH, 5,635.25, upper boundary of that core activity zone. Support range, 5,624.75 to 5,627.00, VAL up to POC. Buyers resurfaced here. Resistance range, 5,627.00 to 5,635.25, POC up to VAH. Seller station patrols here. Single prints, gaps, 5,616.50 at the low end and 5,643.25 at the high end. These one-time prints can act as quick fill zones when price returns. Market context. Over the past 5 hours, 4:15 to 9 a.m. Eastern Time, price bounced around a balanced profile, briefly dipping to 5,616.50 before rallying into the 5,630 range. Overall, the market's footprint suggests a balancing environment with small excursions beyond the 70% value area that were quickly reabsorbed. No runaway trend, but a slight upward bias as buyers stepped in near structural support. Volume analysis, cumulative volume, delta, CVD, breakdown, CVD, close, start, end, from minus 9,805 to minus 8,560, a net plus 1,245 points of aggressive buying in the tape. Bar by bar, 11 buyer-dominated bars versus 8 seller-dominated bars in those 20 intervals, confirming mild bullish order flow. Interpretation. Although price traded sideways, the positive CVD divergence hints at hidden demand beneath the surface. Our informants in the shadows whisper that buyers are quietly accumulating. Risk management considerations. Long trades. Entry near VAL, 5,624.75, with stop just below single print gap at 5,616.00. Invalidation below 5,616.50. Gap low. Negates the buyer's case. Short trades. Entry near VAH, 5,635.25, with stop above the single print gap at 5,644.00. Invalidation above 5,643.25 suggests sellers have lost control. Potential scenarios and trade setups. Responsive. Long setup. Price test 5,624.75. VAL again on a pullback. Look for CVD to dip and rebound. Buyer bars returning. Enter 5,625 to 5,627. Target POC, then VAH. Initiative short setup. A rally into 5,635.25 VAH with weakening histogram MACD and declining CVD. Enter 5,633 to 5,635. Target POC, then VL. Breakout play. A clean break above 5,635.25 on rising CVD would target the next single print zone around 5,643.25, where new resistance may form. Breakdown play. A drop below 5,616.50 on accelerating negative CVD signals a shift to trend. Look for follow-through toward 5,600 and beyond. Remember, the future belongs to the focused. Stay disciplined, stay curious, and as always, trade smart, trade strong, and never stop leveling up. I'll see you in the markets.